Hi, nice to meet you. My name is Gili and I'm a postpartum doula, baby massage instructor and a facilitator of mother circles after birth. I would like to invite you to a special baby massage workshop in English, which I'm very excited to instruct here at the Mammy Club. This is going to be a fun, intimate and very enriching workshop designed for parents of babies from the age of 6 weeks up to the crawling stage. The workshop includes 4 sessions. During the workshop, we will gradually learn together the massage techniques and also understand why they are so important. It's a wonderful opportunity to meet other English-speaking parents, gain valuable knowledge about your baby's developments, and most importantly, in my opinion, strengthen the bond of you and your little ones. So please come and join us for the upcoming baby massage workshop. See you!